What is up, guys? Here back with another YouTube video. Today we are going to be talking about many things. Hurricane Ian to have major impacts on Florida and many more. Coming right up. So today we're really going to be talking about a lot of things for this. If you are not evacuating from this, then make sure you have a water and a food source for this. As you can see, make sure you have a water and a food source, and prepare for flash flooding, strong winds, and storm surge, all with these storms here. This is big impacts that will potentially be happening for this. The potential storm surge is right up here. 5 to 10 feet of storm surge near the Tampa Bay area. Bonita Beach and Englewood, 5 to 8 feet and 4 to 7 feet. 3 to 5 feet, 2 to 4 feet in Key West. 3 to 5 feet in near Miami. 5 to 8 feet to the north of Tampa, and much more areas here with potential storm surge. Hope you guys. Hurricane Ian watches and warnings are up. There are hurricane warnings in effect for the Tampa areas. There are also hurricane watches in effect for areas like Cape Coral, and tropical storm warnings in effect for areas like Lakeland, areas like Key West, and many more. There are also storm surge warnings in effect with this. There's also tropical storm watches in effect for places like Orlando. Hurricane watches in effect for places like Spring Hill, and more tropical storm watches in effect, and storm surge watches in effect for Jacksonville with this. The projected track of Ian is up right here. This is forecasted to get very close to the Tampa area, but it end up making landfall more in just to the north of Tampa with this. The rainfall forecast is up right here for Ian, as you can see here. 6 to 10 inches across most of these areas. The 6 to 10 inches is probable in portions of Savannah, Charleston, Tallahassee, Jacksonville, Orlando, Tampa, and Miami. Are forecast to see 6 to 10 inches of rain. Just to the south of Jacksonville could see 10 to 15 inches of rain, and just to the north of Tampa Bay could see up to 15 inches of rain with this probability forecast with this. Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Maximum sustained winds with Ian right now are at 100 miles an hour. Is a Category 2 storm that will be approaching Cuba. Also, be careful. Stay safe in Cuba as a big storm is heading your way and about to make landfall. Pressure is at 972 millibar, and it is moving north-northwest at 13 miles per hour. This is forecasted to be a Category 3 hurricane by 1 a.m. Central Time tonight. With this, we are under rapid intensification with this here at the moment. Hope everybody's enjoying this. We also do have many severe weather potential threats with this for today. As you can see, we have a slight risk of severe weather in effect for southwest portions of Florida, including Cape Coral, Brandon, Florida, Bradenton, Florida, Sarasota, Florida, Fort Myers, Florida, and those areas are under this potential threat. There is a 5% chance of tornadoes with this, so be well aware, because if any bands from associated with Hurricane Ian could bring a few tornadoes here. Also on Wednesday, we'd have a slight risk with a chance of tornadoes, including Tampa, St. Petersburg, Orlando, Cape Coral, and Clearwater with this. Threats do include a few tornadoes possible from the outer bands in the Florida Peninsula of Ian with this. This is definitely what we're talking about. Hope everybody has enjoyed this video here. If you guys liked it. And bye, guys.